It's very likely going to be a one and done from Temp-tations. This is a limited special edition baker. And I'm so excited about this one because it's going to be different than a lot of things you have ever seen from Temp-tations, while reminiscent of patterns that you already love, with colors I know you're going to find are universal, and a size that is incredible. It's a lidded baker. The handles point up, smart, because then they fit even in countertop ovens. You have a lid that matches, and you've got a sculptural detail on the outside of these beautiful pieces. However, there is no reorder on this. And price and easy pay all go away at end of day today. This is something very, very special. 5 easy payments on your credit card. And let's welcome in the president, the CEO, and designer of Temp-tations, because she's celebrating her 20th year as the brand is celebrating 20 years here on QVC. And in honor of that, a special edition piece. Tara Tescher, welcome back.
Oh, thank you, David. I couldn't be more excited about this piece, and I love everything that you were just saying. It is different, right? You have that beautiful glass glaze. It's more of that solid color detail, but you still have all of that gorgeous embossing. What does that mean? You can actually hear when I run my nails that this is completely sculptural all the way around the edges. That color saturation on the inside, the beautiful glass glaze, that's our plum. Look at how that embossing literally jumps off the piece. Because of that glass glaze, it awakens the pattern and brings it to life. The upswept handles, exactly, make it easy to come in and out of that Oster oven, in and out of your regular oven, your microwave. And the lid, David, we very rarely do lidded pieces. We are always asked for lidded pieces. So there's something really special about this piece. It's why we made it a special edition. There is no reorder. This is truly something that we did in honor of our 20th anniversary. The pattern will continue, but this piece, our 3-quart, most popular size in our oval with that beautiful lid, is a home run and something you'll use day in and day out.
Now, Tara, you put together some beautiful colors for us. I'm going to move these chairs around so we can see it because I have the world's largest Lazy Susan.
I love this.
All right, so here is that beautiful white.
Gorgeous.
Most popular, and 1,200 to go around, no reorder. From there we go to the plum. 1,200 in that plum. Here it is in the slate blue. 1,100. I've got it in gray. 1,000, and finally I have it for you here in the taupe. 950, all I have to go around. We've sold 500 of these. They're already out the door. Tara, in honor of the big game, we've got a football cake right here. Yep.
Right.
Yep. Ready for the big game.
Exactly.
I love how we did the laces and icing. And when I say we, I mean the food stylist, not me.
Well, here's what I love also, David, the fact that I could take my hand mixer and I could mix right inside there with that cake mix. I can put it right in the oven. These are oven safe up to 500 degrees. I can bring it out, let it cool, ice it. I can slice from it. I can serve from it. Again, this is what Temp-tations is all about: prepping, cooking, serving, and storing, and having fun all in one dish.
Now, this is just a little piece of genius. It's a potato tot crust on your frittata. I mean, how perfect is that? The only thing that can make it more perfect is if you took shredded cheese and topped it on top of those potato tots as it baked. Oh, hello.
I always count on you to take that recipe up a notch. And look how beautiful that slate blue is, that periwinkle color that you see there. And the side of it, the pop of the pattern is absolutely gorgeous. But follow me over here to the oven, David, because I wanted to show you really quick. I have my boa on still from earlier. Here's what's great about this. I love that I can put this in the oven up to 500 degrees, which means I can basically broil in it. If you're going to broil in it, take that lid off. But look, I can come right out of the oven, super easy. Just going to give that a little hip check. Patented move. Bring this right over to the side, and guess what I have? I don't have Carol's mac and cheese per se, but I do have 3 quarts of ooey gooey. Look at that. Stick to the stoneware.
Oh, I'll take it.
I'll take it. Cheese. Oh, I know. You'll never turn that down.
I'll never say no. No.
But look at that, the performance, how easy it is. So whether you're baking mac and cheese, or maybe look at this for the big game. I layered in some ramekins. I put a salsa. I put my guacamole dip. By the way, David, I started a new Facebook group, Recipes from Tara's Table. Check it out, where I actually have that recipe there. So again, having fun with these pieces.
Is that the garlicky guacamole? Is that the garlicky?
You got it.
Oh, my
Made famous by me just by saying it's famous.
Oh.
Yes.
You can't go wrong with that guacamole. It is so good.
Right.
And it's so good. If you don't like garlic, don't make it. Don't make it if you don't like garlic, because it's delightful. I love this white. It's now half gone. Can I also point out, this is a thick dish. When you pick this up, you're going to be like, there's a lot of stoneware here. This is a heavy piece. This is not flimsy. This is not the kind of piece that you're going to pick up and say, you know, this doesn't have any heft to it. This has beautiful, beautiful quality craftsmanship. Handles go up. Finial on the top is the old world flower. And then this sculptural pattern goes all the way around. You run your fingers across this, you're going to hear it.
Isn't that beautiful?
Okay,
and
let's
that
get through colors
glass
again.
glaze, David,
Yes,
sorry, that glass glaze that you're showing is what just makes that pattern pop and come to life, which we'll see in all the different colors.
Perfect. Let's talk about colors. This is your taupe, 900 in the taupe. I have it in gray, 900 in the gray. We'll wait for a nice close-up there so you can see that gray. Here we go. Then the slate blue, 900 in the slate blue. I have plum, 950 in the plum, and most popular is this white. Fewer than 600 remain. It's over half gone. And Tara, we need to remind everyone that this is a special edition and no reorder. This is a one and done. When this sells out, it's over.
That's right. This sculptural pattern, David, has been, if you love the woodland, this is something you can layer in with that. Some more of those kind of solid pieces that we love. Updated silhouette, beautiful fashion forward colors, very farmhouse chic when you think about that slate blue, when you think about the plums. So even if you're thinking about a wedding gift, a shower gift, this is such a great way to get someone started. It's unique. We don't do the covered pieces all the time, and we're not going to be reordering it. So it's a special limited edition, but this pattern will continue. We have canisters. You can check it out on QVC.com. You can build out a beautiful collection.
Yeah, these colors are not a mystery to me. I've seen these colors in your woodland and some of your other goodies. So it's a great way to mix and match, to coordinate, to really add to something that's special. Maybe you've been with us all 20 of Temp-tations years on QVC, and it would be a great way to celebrate that. Don't miss out on this. How many are gone now? 2,200 of these are out the door.
Wow.
We are very, very busy on our phone lines. We're going to invite everyone to utilize QVC.com and your mobile app. And Tara, again, we're rooting for the team with the most points today.
I'm just in it for the halftime show and the food. I'm just going to be
And the commercials. Don't forget the commercials.
And the commercials. You're right.
Yes.
Oh, my
I hear there are going to be some good ones. All right. Hey,
yeah,
enjoy, my friend, and have a great day.
Thank you.
All righty. All right, time to heat things up.